Friends, on behalf of the ISB, may I extend a very warm welcome to all of you to Mana, Hyderabad. Now, ISB is a very, very proud institution, proud of its city in which we are, proud of what this city has done and achieved in the last 20 years. And when we get guests like all of you, not just from across the country, but from abroad, we feel very proud and involved in this. So at a very personal level, a very warm welcome to all of you. Hyderabad, this region, this state, and the rest of the country has achieved a lot in the last 15, 20 years when it comes to real estate. But the work that we have been doing indicates that the past growth is very small, in fact is almost negligible in comparison to the growth that we expect in the next 20 years. The world over, our work indicates that there are just 40 mega regions, just 40 mega regions in the world that contribute a full 2/3 of the world's GDP. That's it. A world of close to 7 billion people, 6 and odd billion people. There are just 40 regions which contribute 2/3 of the world's productivity. And full 80% of all new intellectual development. So 80% of all patents in this world come from just 40 regions. And these regions are not just cities, they are mega regions. So the Silicon Valley is a classic mega region in California. The Boston-New York corridor is a mega region. The Pune-Bombay or Bangalore-Chennai would be another mega region. Personally, I am confident that Greater Hyderabad will be another mega region. 20 years ago, there were just rocks where we stand today. There was no high-tech, there was no Gachibowli. Today, there are close to 500,000 people working in just this area. And 20 years from now, this will probably be the center of a huge mega region stretching maybe 20, 30, 50 miles in all directions. And that's the kind of opportunity that we see for real estate in this country. And that real estate will not be just about educational institutions, will not be just about high-techs, will not be just about offices and commercial malls. It will also be, as Mr. Rangan pointed out, about affordable housing, about infrastructures, about hard and soft educational institutions, hospitals and the like. So we will be a large new metropolis in all various regions. This will obviously mean enormous opportunities to each of you. But I'd like to sound a word of caution. If you look at your fellow brokers in the financial services industry, the financial services brokerage industry really took off when they professionalized, when they automated, when the National Stock Exchange was created, which was and probably still is one of the most automated exchanges in the world.